In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make correct and incorrect answer responses in Google Forms. This is a fantastic way to set up a quiz, ensuring you receive instant feedback on what learners have mastered and what might need a bit more attention. Let's dive right in and guide you through the process step by step so you can get the most out of this efficient tool. First, you'll want to open your browser and navigate to Google Drive. This will be your starting point because it's where all your Google apps are easily accessible. Once you're there, look towards the top right corner and click on the App Grid icon, which will reveal a range of available Google services. Among these, you'll see Google Forms. Click on that and it will bring you to the Forms homepage. On the Google Forms page, select Blank Quiz from the available templates. This is crucial because choosing a quiz template will allow you to set correct and incorrect answers. Once your new form is open, head over to the Settings icon, which usually looks like a small gear at the top of the page. In the settings menu, you'll need to ensure that the option labelled "Make this a quiz" is switched on. This step is vital because it converts your form into a quiz, enabling you to assign points to your questions and activate automatic grading. Next, still within the settings, make sure to enable the toggles for missed questions and correct answers. This way, your respondents can receive feedback right after submitting their answers, knowing which questions they missed and what the correct options are, a feature that increases learning effectiveness significantly. Now navigate to the Presentation tab within the settings. Here, you should enable the option View Results Summary. This feature allows respondents to see a summary of their performance once they complete the quiz. After tweaking these settings, remember to click on the Published button and then Save to confirm all the settings you've just adjusted. With these steps completed, you're ready to preview your quiz. Simply click on the eye icon, this serves as your preview button, and examine how everything looks from a respondent's perspective. You can even submit a dummy response to ensure that everything is working as expected. Finally, once a submission is complete, click the link that says View Accuracy. This is where all your hard work comes to life. You will see a breakdown of correct and incorrect answers, providing you with valuable insights into how well the quiz taker understands the material. And that's it. You've successfully set up a Google form that tracks correct and incorrect answers, offering both immediate feedback and a detailed overview of responses. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you make the most out of Google Forms for your quizzes and educational endeavors.